In this video, we will cover the Wearing app and how you can use it to digitalize your wardrobe and streamline your clothes styling. Let's begin. First, let's get the app installed. Navigate to the App Store, find it, and download the Wearing app. Now let's launch the app, and I will also show how to use it, set the app up, and just provide you with an overall review of its functional. So now I gotta launch it. Here, grant it with all the necessary permissions, or should I say grant it with the permissions you feel safe granting it with. Then here you will need to go through the setup process, in which just select your gender, your height, your weight, and so on. Once your personal account is created, you can start adding items to it. You can create outfits and lookbooks. Let's start from basics. Let's go into the wardrobe section here and start adding the items of clothing. So press here. Now you can select between add items, create an outfit, and create lookbook. As for now, we'll add an item. Here, as you can see, you have three possible sources from which you can get your clothing items or clothing elements. You can either upload them from your gallery, so if you have some physical a piece of clothing you would like to digitalize and add to your Wearing library, you can take a picture of it simply and then upload it to the Wearing app. You can also use their own proprietary database and select items from here. You have a search here, obviously. Also, the search will not only provide you with an items they have in their database, from the web, but also with an items of other users that a community uploads, to be exact. So you can search through them here and add those elements. For example, I'll add this little shirt. And you can also source your clothes from the web by simply, finding the piece of clothing you would like to add and adding it, or capturing it rather, as you can see. So let me quickly demonstrate to you. So I'll, for example, write in Nike Air Force Ones. Then we'll go into images. And this picture looks decent, so let's capture it. Here they are. Let's crop them accordingly. Like that. Then hit the done button. And our items have been added to the basket, so now we can upload them to our wardrobe, or digital wardrobe, should I say. Even further, before you actually upload an item to your wardrobe, you are also supposed to, tag it, review it. Here you can add your items to categories, select brand, their state, should they be new, rental, handmade, or pre-loved, set price, their size, colors, tag their status, so laundry, resale, swap, etc., and location. You can also go into styling and add some styling tags, as well as the season this item is supposed to be worn at, and add some other miscellaneous details here, such as amount of, times worn, fabric, care details, and just your overall generic comments, if you have any. Now we can save it, and the item has been added to our gallery with all appropriate tags, categories, and so on. So that's how you add your elements, your clothing. Should it be real clothing you own or the clothing you aspire to buy, for example, you can store, or should I rather say, you will find all of them here. Now let's go into the outfit section and create an outfit here. So once again, tap at this plus button. Now select the create an outfit option instead of add items. Here is your outfit canvas that you will draw on. Now let's add an items. Here, as you can see, you can add items from your wardrobe, wish list, or mood boards. You can also sort them and filter them by those things here, by those tags. So I'll add an Air Force, I'll add this jeans, and my skirt went somewhere, but that's fine. I'll just add this hoodie instead. Now compose your outfit as you like it to be. Here the outfit canvas or outfit editor allows you to put this piece of clothes into the background, for example. Just tap at this button and it should get at the back of this hoodie. Let me select the hoodie and try moving it to the foreground instead. Yep, now it worked. And the same goes for the shoes as well. I'm struggling to actually pinch them properly, so let me increase the distance between my items. So once again, I'll move it to the background. Yeah, as you can see, it doesn't work perfectly, but I guess you'll get a hang of it eventually at some point, I hope. Here I'll also add my sneakers, move them to background, for example, and save this outfit. And that's how you create your outfits out of your items, or not strictly yours, as I've already mentioned. You can use the mood boards and, well, community items as well. Now you can either add it to lookbook or calendar, share it, like it, and so on. Now we have this outfit here. Moving next, you can also create lookbooks. So press the plus button, select the create lookbook option. Well, select what outfits your lookbook should include. For example, you can create a lookbook for casual outfits or another separate lookbook for outfits you usually wear to work, and so on. I'll name my lookbook Test, since it is true. That's the test lookbook. Save it, and that's what it will look like. And well, as far as the basics for this app go, that will be more or less it. Obviously, this app has way more functions than I've covered today, but those functions are, well, not something I plan to cover today anyway, so if you're interested, you can, well, discover and figure them out yourself. And should you have any comments or any questions, issues, whatever is that you would like to express, use the comment section below this video. And well, that will be more or less it. So thanks for watching. Should you have any further comments, questions, do not hesitate to use the comment section below this video. But as for now, bye bye.